Hello there. I hope you're all doing marvelously well. Today I decided it would be a bit of fun to start a new web series that describes my approach to building magic applications. What I'm going to show you in this series of videos is how I keep Magic XPA as a core technology for application development, but also how I leverage and integrate other languages, tools, and technologies to not only improve the developer experience, but also rapidly deliver greater value and greatly improve end user satisfaction. Now, as an applications developer, I've been in Magic's orbit for the entirety of my professional career. As a snotty-nosed kid straight out of university back in Scotland in the early 90s, I helped build some of the biggest and most ambitious projects that Magic had been used on at that time. Places like Sky TV, consulting at Magic Software, multiple contracts at Menzies, Crown Agents, News Datacom, and on to other projects that took my life for 10 years to Hong Kong and Macau for clients like Star TV and Magic Computer. Then to Switzerland, working either for SAG or US-based clients remotely. Though let's be honest, I spent most of my 5 years in Switzerland riding my bike with friends up Swiss Alps, Gotthard, Fuka, Newfoundland. Man, what a magical time that was. And now I find myself in the USA, where I've been on another adventure for the last 6 years, slowly snaking my way up the West Coast, from Mountain View to San Francisco to Portland to Seattle, and now to Snohomish. A constant feature of my work and a universal solvent across all this time is not being limited by the features of a single language, whether it was Delphi or C# or JavaScript or Python. As great as Magic is, the ability to extend my reach with these other tools and technologies to deliver working software has always been a blessing and something of a secret weapon. You could say me and Magic are now in an open relationship. We know and love each other, we're still committed to a journey together, but it's also okay to be ethically non-monogamous with other coding languages. And those pockets of intimacy elsewhere really strengthen the core relationship and the well-being of what we do. What I mean is, we can identify as Magic programmers, but like most modern developers, we also get to use and leverage other languages, tools, and frameworks better suited to some of the tasks and problems we need to solve. A rough outline for our journey in this series is something like this. We'll explore the rich ecosystem of Python libraries and frameworks that we can leverage for backend integration. We'll explore how Python frameworks like FastAPI, Django, and Flask can gift us superpowers for web and API tooling to really round out our Magic web applications. I'm really excited to later show you how we can build outrageously brilliant Magic web applications with technologies like HTMX, Tailwind, and JavaScript libraries like Alpine. For mobile solutions on iPhone and Android, let's use Flutter to just make things go right. And let's see how we can deploy and scale all of that on a variety of cloud platform services. So let's get into it. I'm going to begin with a short overview of Python, getting installed, getting set up, using Visual Studio Code, and some quick examples of how we can integrate Python with Magic, either calling scripts, creating command line utilities, or building a microservices framework and API to deploy alongside Magic. It's been said that Python is everyone's second favorite language, and I think that we as Magic programmers should absolutely embrace this. With Python as our second favorite, there's absolutely nothing that will be beyond us.